Working with Penn State biology research data and encountered an XYT file from a time-of-flight instrument. This is a specialized scientific data format used in biomedical research. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these XYT time-of-flight data files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the XYT format fails. More on this later. XYT files are scientific data files containing time-of-flight measurement data from Penn State University biology research instruments. They store coordinate position data with timing information for particle detection events used in biomedical imaging, mass spectrometry, and biological sample analysis workflows in research laboratories. XYT files store coordinate triplets with X position, Y position, and T time-of-flight values typically in plain text or binary format. The structure may include header rows with metadata about the experiment instrument calibration parameters, acquisition timestamps, and detector configuration, following the originating laboratory's data specification. An essential utility for interacting with XYT is recognized as CasaXPS by Casa Software Limited. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows gives limited insight, so interpreting the contents requires the originating tool. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click your XYT file and select Open With. See if CasaXPS is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. When an XYT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The stubbornness of this XYT file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, opening in text editor. Try opening the XYT file in a text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text to view the data structure. If the file is in plain text format, you will see X, Y, and T coordinate columns that can be examined directly or copied into analysis software for further processing. Next, importing into analysis software. Import the XYT file into MATLAB Python with NumPy or specialized scientific software like ImageJ for time-of-flight data analysis. These tools can parse the coordinate and timing data to reconstruct particle trajectories, generate visualizations, and perform statistical analysis on the experimental measurements. Finally, contacting the research lab. Reach out to the Penn State Research Lab that generated the XYT data for documentation about the file format and recommended analysis pipelines. They can provide custom scripts or applications designed specifically for processing these time-of-flight datasets in their established research workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.